Hello viewers, welcome to my channel World Beauty Fashion Trends. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I gave you my heart, I did not accept to get it back in pieces. I need you like a heart needs a beat. You may hold my hand for a while, but you hold my heart forever. You are forever and always the hero of my heart, the love of my life. The best and most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen nor even touched, but just felt in the heart. I cannot stop loving you, and no matter what I say or do, you know my heart is true. You are an angel, and I will spend my life, if you will let me, in paying you the homage that my heart feels towards you. Love is not what the mind thinks, but what the heart feels. You stole my heart, but I will let you keep. You are never too far away because I know we are close in the heart. My heart and I agree that you are the only one for me. A friend is like a push-up bar, supportive and close to the heart. Love cannot be defined by a book nor by words. You have to feel it with all your heart. Every year has brought us more love as a husband and wife. You are my heart's delight, and I cannot wait to see what this year brings for us. Your beauty got my attention, but your personality stole my heart. When I follow my heart, it leads me to you. Beautiful things happen when you distance yourself from negativity. Start each day with a grateful heart. A joyful heart is the inevitable result of a heart burning with love. A loving heart is the trust wisdom. Please viewers, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watch my video.